Today, we're going to tackle a topic that affects millions of people around the world: anxiety. Whether it's caused by work, school, personal relationships, or just the stress of everyday life, anxiety can be overwhelming. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share 10 practical tips to help you reduce anxiety and find your calm. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing is a simple yet powerful technique to calm your mind and body. When you're anxious, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. Deep breathing helps activate the body's relaxation response. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4, and then slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this for a few minutes. You'll feel your heart rate slow down and your muscles relax. Tip number 2. Stay active. Regular physical activity is a natural way to reduce anxiety. Exercise releases endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. You don't have to run a marathon to reap the benefits. Even a short walk, a session of yoga, or a bike ride can make a big difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. Tip number 3. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol can increase anxiety levels. Caffeine is a stimulant that can make you feel more jittery, while alcohol can interfere with your sleep and mood. Try reducing your intake of coffee, tea, and energy drinks, and limit alcohol consumption. Instead, opt for herbal teas, water, or natural juices. Your body and mind will thank you. Tip number 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can exacerbate anxiety and make it harder to cope with stress. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a calming bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid screens before bed. Keep your bedroom cool and dark, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Tip number 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is about staying present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Meditation can help calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breathing. You can also use guided meditation apps like Headspace or Calm to get started. Tip number 6. Connect with others. Social support is crucial for managing anxiety. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist can provide relief and perspective. Don't hesitate to reach out to someone you trust when you're feeling anxious. Sometimes, just talking about what's on your mind can make a huge difference. If you prefer professional support, consider seeing a therapist or joining a support group. Tip number 7. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time, especially on social media, can increase anxiety and stress. Constantly comparing yourself to others and consuming negative news can take a toll on your mental health. Set boundaries for your screen time. For example, take breaks from your phone, avoid screens at least an hour before bed, and engage in offline activities like reading, cooking, or spending time outdoors. Tip number 8. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for managing anxiety. This includes eating well, staying hydrated, and making time for activities you enjoy. Make self-care a priority. It could be anything from taking a relaxing bath, pursuing a hobby, or simply spending time in nature. Nourishing your body and soul can help reduce anxiety and improve your overall well-being. Tip number 9. Write it down. Journaling can be a great way to process your thoughts and emotions. Writing down your worries can help you see them more clearly and develop strategies to cope with them. Set aside a few minutes each day to write about what's on your mind. You can also use your journal to track your progress, note things you're grateful for, and reflect on positive experiences. Tip number 10. Seek professional help. If your anxiety feels overwhelming and persistent, it's important to seek professional support. Therapists and counselors can provide you with tools and strategies to manage your anxiety effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Therapy can be incredibly beneficial, and there are many resources available, including online therapy options, if in-person sessions aren't feasible for you. So there you have it, 10 tips to help you reduce anxiety and find your calm. Remember, managing anxiety is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and see what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to SmartNTricky and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.